Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we saw like how to perform the arithmetic operations with respect to the division and addition. In this particular video, we'll continue with respect to the subtraction and the multiplication. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's try to perform some of the arithmetic operation with respect to the subtraction and the multiplication. Okay, so now let's try to write the program data and data means like here we'll try to declare the variable and we also declare the type of variable and we also declare the value for it. Okay, so we'll declare the variable x type integer and the value is around some 650 and y type value around 50 y type is integer, the value is 50. Okay, and we also declare the result and the result type is also integer. Okay, so now what we'll do is like result is equal to so here we are performing the subtraction, so what we'll do is like x minus y, and finally we'll try to write the result. Okay, so now we'll save this particular program, check it if there is any kind of error, activate it. So the object is activated, and now let's try to run this particular program, direct processing. So x minus y, that is 650 minus 50, that should be 600. So here you can see the value is 600. Okay, so this is how you perform the subtraction. And now suppose if you want with respect to the multiplication means, so now again we'll try to write the data x, which is of type integer, value is around 25, y type is integer and the value is 10, and result is also type of integer where the result type is also integer. Okay, so now result is equal to x multiply y. Finally try to get the output, right, result. Now we'll save it, check it if there is any kind of error, activate it. So 25 into 10, that should be 250. So here we are getting the value is 250. Okay, so we saw the arithmetic operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and the division. And now what we'll do is like we'll try to perform the modulus also. And now suppose if I want a mod b means result is equal to a mod b. Finally we'll try to write the result. Okay, so now we'll save it, check if there is any kind of error, activate it, run the program. Okay, so a mod b is 0, so because 150 divided by 25, that is 6 and the remainder is 0. So now I will change it to 151, and now let's see the value, and the answer should be 1 So here we are getting the one. Okay, so we have performed addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and finally we saw the modulus. Okay, okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.